Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 20 Lite, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, you want to open up Settings. From here, navigate to Storage. There we go. Go to the memory card and simply tap on Format. Now this will give you a message that performing this will literally remove everything from that SD card, so if there is anything that you'd like to keep on it, maybe photos, music, stuff like that, then make a copy of it somewhere else, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you don't want to, or you have already done it, click on Erase Format and let it go through, which is a fairly quick process. There we go, it's already finished, so click on OK and you're done. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.